What the heck is up, besties? We are going to be vlogging our week at cheer camp. It is day 2 because we got here yesterday. And today we are basically doing the same thing as yesterday, but I will vlog. And I now will tell y'all what we do. But first we gotta be out in the hallway by 6:45, and it is currently 6:40. So my room is headed out. Don't forget to turn off the lights. And we will see y'all later. Okay, guys, we made it to breakfast. Sponsoring Michaela.
Don't matter.
And we all got Starbucks. So,
Put me in it.
it is, what time is it? Oh.
This man is over to our bed.
And this thing is very good. So don't listen.
What? Okay. Okay. So, yeah, we got Starbucks. And we ate breakfast. And now we're going to go meet up back at Starbucks by... What time?
35.
By like 7:30. Those are the cute eggs. But anyways, we will see y'all later when we get to our first little cheer event thingy believer. And there's Aubrey sheets on my lap. Okay, welcome back. So today we went to cheer and we did like a bunch of stuff. And my flower dropped on the ground and it made me almost cry. Okay. Actually, I did cry. Tears came out my eyes, but it's okay. And also, I was very scared to do a stunt, but I did it anyways, and then she fell, and so that just made it even worse, and then I started crying. And yeah. What? Oh, and then when me and Lily were trying to go meet our whatever, because Lily had to come back to the room because of things. So yeah, we were trying to meet back with the, oh my gosh. We were trying to meet back with the coaches, and Miss Girl over here tries to take me all these random places.
Who is Miss Girl?
And she got me lost.
Sis. Oh, look who just climbed up 8 flights of stairs.
And then
they couldn't wait on
we
an
have
elevator.
these folks coming to unlock me at my room because I got locked out because I forgot a key.
That ain't nothing. I walked down.
And they're being extra, so yeah. But I don't think we're gonna do nothing else today. So that's my update. It's been a pretty good day, but yeah, I'm on late supper. I haven't ate nothing really all day. Yeah, I haven't ate anything all day basically. I mean, I've ate hot chips and almonds, but that's the point. Y'all hush, I'm trying to vlog. Okay, anyways, but yeah, it's been a pretty good day, and I will see y'all in the morning. Okay, guys, so we decided to come to Build-A-Bear. And guess what? I got me a squirrel. She's so cute. Okay, now this really is the end of the vlog for the night. So, yeah, just get ready for my Instagram post with my Build-A-Bear. And I gotta figure out what his name or her name is right now because, yeah. But, yeah. See y'all in the morning. Okay, it is the end of the last day. Basically the second day. But really the third day. Y'all, this is the kind of day I've had, okay? So, yeah, these are all these people walking by. That girl's really good. And, yeah, so this is my vlog, guys. And anyways, yeah, so it was a pretty good day. Also got nominated for All-American, then didn't make it. But it's okay. It's okay. It's great. So, yeah, I hope that y'all had a good day. Bye. Talk to y'all in the morning. Okay, guys, so we are officially going home. And I look homeless. 1 second.
Glad you know.
Anyways, so yeah, I look homeless, but it's okay.
Arrogant said you look like you got that bow out the drugstore.
Okay, it's okay, whatever. Anyway, so yeah, we're headed home, and we like got all these awards or whatever. I forgot what all of them went through. Y'all remember? Game Day Champion, Pyramid Champion, and Cheer Champion, or Chin Champion, something like that. And then Sydney Stone is happening. Also, yeah, so we did all that. It was a good last day. And it is like, what time is it? It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I think. I don't really know. 2:19. But yeah, Michaela wants to say goodbye. Oh.
Y'all see my dick? I got a giraffe. Bye, y'all.
Yeah, she said bye. Okay. So, yeah, I will tell y'all when I get home and I'll end the vlog.
See y'all later.
Okay, guys, busted once again. Look at this. Woo, baby. But I got home yesterday and I forgot the vlog because I was out. I went to sleep at 8 o'clock and didn't wake up till 1 o'clock this afternoon. But packed my bags, washed all my clothes, and I'm ready for another week of cheer. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed this short little video of my daily updates because I didn't do very good at vlogging because we weren't really allowed to have our phones. But yeah, it was a pretty good week, and I'm proud of the outcome. Not proud of some of the drama or some of the things that were said, but it's okay. Anyways, love y'all so much, and don't forget to subscribe.